Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a piano. Let's start off by drawing an angled S shape like so. From the ends, draw two parallel lines going down to the right. Then, connect the ends with another angled S shape like this. From the top corner, draw a long line that goes out to the right, dips in a bit, and curves back to the left and ends at the other top corner here. From the bottom corner, draw a line going up to the right, then turning up and ending here at this bend. And from the other bend, draw a line going down that turns to the left like so. Now we have the basic piano shape. To draw the lid of the piano, draw a long straight line angling up from here. Then, a short line at the top angled like so, followed by a big S shape going down to the piano to finish off the lid. At the corner, where the lid touches the piano, draw a long line across that's parallel to the edge. Then, from the other side, draw a thick line going up at an angle and stopping here. This stick holds the piano open and makes the sound louder and clearer. Underneath, draw three thin upside-down rectangles that taper inward towards the bottom. One here, here, and here for the legs. Then, three vertical lines coming down from the middle of the piano, with a rounded rectangle underneath for the pedals. For the keyboard, draw a line coming down from this corner here that turns down to the left, a short line down, and turns down to the right following the edge. From there, a short vertical line and a turn up to the right like so. Then, draw two more lines parallel to the edge like this, one connecting these two corners, and another from this corner ending at the S shape here. For the keys, draw some very thin lines across the keyboard like this. And for the black keys, draw some thicker lines on top. In groups of 3, then groups of 2, and repeat until you get to the other side. Lastly, draw some music notes around the piano, two connected by a double line, one with a wavy tail, and one more with two wavy tails. And now you've got a piano. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.